Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Upwork, a popular online platform connecting freelancers with clients seeking various services. Upwork provides a structured environment where professionals can showcase their skills, find projects that match their expertise, and build their careers independently. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, Upwork offers a diverse marketplace with opportunities across numerous industries. The platform facilitates the entire process, from job searching and proposal submission to contract management and payment processing. Upwork employs a bidding system, enabling freelancers to submit proposals outlining their qualifications and proposed fees for projects that catch their eye. Clients review these proposals, often comparing bids and freelancer profiles before making a hiring decision. One of Upwork's strengths is its robust feedback system, which fosters transparency and accountability within the platform. Clients can rate and review freelancers they've worked with, providing valuable social proof for future potential clients. Similarly, freelancers can rate their experiences with clients. This reciprocal feedback system helps build trust and encourages professionalism on both sides of the marketplace. Upwork also offers various tools and resources to support freelancers throughout their journey on the platform. These include resources on best practices for creating compelling proposals, managing client relationships, and navigating the platform's features. Additionally, Upwork provides payment protection measures to ensure freelancers receive timely and secure payments for completed work. While Upwork offers a plethora of opportunities, it's important to remember that competition can be fierce. Crafting a compelling profile and submitting well-tailored proposals are crucial for attracting clients and securing projects. Building a strong reputation through positive client feedback is essential for long-term success on the platform. Exploring Upwork can be a valuable step for freelancers seeking to expand their reach, connect with a global client base, and build a thriving freelance career. For those seeking skilled professionals, Upwork provides access to a vast pool of talent across a diverse range of disciplines.